Hello all, in today's video, I'm going to speak about capsicum, red, yellow, green. Which one is better? Capsicum or bell pepper comes in a rainbow of colors, each one having its unique flavor, nutritional profile, and culinary use. Capsicum is one of the popular vegetables that is used worldwide due to its bioactive compounds, antioxidant capacity, and distinctive colors. Despite variations in color, all the bell peppers comes from the same plant and their color may confer significant variability in taste, nutrient content, bioactive compounds, and cost. Here is a comprehensive guide to understand the difference among the vegetables. First one is ripeness. Green peppers are harvested before they reach full maturity. That is the unripe version of the red, yellow, and orange counterparts, whereas yellow bell peppers are in a more mature stage than green pepper but are not fully ripe. Red peppers are the fully ripe version of the green bell pepper. They have spent the most time on the plant. Next is flavor profile. Green pepper is somewhat bitter and pungent in taste compared to its yellow and red counterparts, whereas yellow bell peppers are sweeter than green peppers but less sweet than red ones. They have a mild fruity flavor. Red peppers are the sweetest of the three with a rich fruity flavor that becomes more pronounced as they ripen. Third is nutrient profile. The maturity levels of bell pepper significantly impact their nutritional profile and flavor. Green bell peppers are least mature and they contain chlorophyll that contribute to their green color along with distinctive carotenoids such as lutein, xanthin, and neoxanthin. Yellow bell peppers, they contain beta carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which provide anti-inflammatory properties. Red bell peppers considered the most nutritionally dense because they are fully ripened and contain capsanthin and capsorubin pigment. With regard to nutritional profile, green bell pepper provides 20 kilocalories per 100 grams. Yellow bell pepper gives 27 kilocalories, while red bell pepper it gives 26 kilocalories. Carbs, green bell pepper gives 4.6 grams of carbohydrate per 100 gram, while red pepper provides 6.03 and yellow bell pepper gives 6.32 per 100 grams. Fiber content, green bell pepper has 1.7 grams of fiber per 100 gram, while red bell pepper has 2.1 gram and yellow bell pepper has 0.9 gram. The difference in fiber and carbohydrate content of the green bell pepper and the red bell pepper explains that as the fruit ripens, the sugar content increases and the organic acid content also increases while the fiber content decreases. And yellow bell pepper is the powerhouse of vitamin C and it contains 184 milligram of vitamin C, while green bell pepper has 80.4 milligram and red bell pepper has 128 milligram. Fourth is culinary profile. Green peppers are best used for salad, stir fries, and casseroles. They hold their shape well during cooking and add a vibrant crunch. Yellow peppers are best used for salads, as a colorful addition to sandwiches or in roasted vegetable dishes. They add a mild sweetness and a pop of color. Red peppers are best for eating raw in salsas. Their sweetness makes them a favorite for dipping and adding to dishes where their flavor can shine. Storage and shelf life. Green peppers should be stored in the refrigerator in a vegetable crisper drawer. They have a shorter shelf life compared to red peppers due to their less mature state. Yellow peppers, their shelf life is slightly longer than green pepper due to their higher maturity level, while red peppers have the longest shelf life among bell peppers due to their full ripeness. And the final one is affordability. Red bell peppers are often the most expensive among the three due to their longer time on the plant, allowing them to fully ripen. Green bell peppers being harvested earlier, they're often more budget friendly and are widely available and a staple in many grocery stores. And today's takeaway, each color of bell pepper, red, green, and yellow, offers its own unique set of flavors, nutritional benefits, and culinary uses. Understanding these differences allow you to make informed choices in your cooking and maximize the health benefits of these colorful vegetables.